Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel with a new video. So in this video I'm going to show you how to delete your YouTube history. So let's start the video. Here you have to open your YouTube account and see here I watch a lot of short videos, but now I wanted to delete this history. So what you have there is very simple step. By using this step you can easily delete your history. So first of all you have to do, you can see on the screen there is a history written. On the side of this history there is a option written as view all. You have to press on view all. After pressing on view all, you can see all of the history that you, all of the videos, shorts, whatever you watch in the YouTube. So these are the shorts that I recently watches on my YouTube account. So the next step is you have to delete all these shorts from your account. So this is very easy step. You can press on the three dots on the top bar of your screen. Here you can see three options: pause watch history, delete watch history, manage watch history. But recently I'm doing clear all watch history, like deleting all the watch history. So you have to press on clear watch history. By pressing on these, all of your watch history is deleted from your account, but not permanently, but temporary it is deleted. If you want to delete permanent, then you have to go to manage your account, and here you have seen all of your history and delete it from that. But here I'm telling you how you can delete permanently, not permanently but temporary history delete. All right, so this is very basic step by using which you can easily delete your history. So I'm repeating this step again once time. So you can see here I'm watching again TikToks, and you can see there are two videos that I recently watches. Again I'm going to show you how you can delete by using this. Hope so friends you like this video, and don't forget to subscribe the channel, hit the bell icon, and stay tuned for the new video. Thank you so much for watching the video. Thank you so much for your love, and thank you so much for your support.